the question is, how can you triple, I'm serious, triple the property value in 12 months or less? This absolutely can be done. We do it all the time in real life with our different strategies. So for example, a property that we did very recently, we bought for just over 100,000. This is a 3-bedroom terrace property near to the sound centre, near to the train stations, really good transport links, and obviously high demand for a HMO. It was in an Article 4 area, so we had to get planning permission. Article 4, for those of you who don't know, we will do a separate video about this, but Article 4 means that you can't just buy a house and turn it into a HMO without obtaining planning permission for this. So it just means that it's slightly difficult, slightly more difficult for investors in this particular area. So what you have to look for is that we got change of use on the planning for this, which is an 8-tweak application so that we could allow 6 occupants in this property. We made 6 bedrooms, all with en-suites, 1 central communal dining, living, kitchen area for the occupants, which were professionals. We have rent on the property it is just over 3,000 per month, so very, very nice income on the property. And the property, having had a renovation which cost us 64,000, and then we had about 10,000 in fees over the time, so stamp, etc. This property was revalued at £350,000. So when we refinanced the property, not only did we pull all the money out that we'd originally invested to buy it, to renovate it, to do the conversion itself, but we pulled out an extra almost £100,000 of profit. So we made like a really nice, juicy flip profit, and we have an infinite return cash flowing asset for life. So this is how you do it. It's very simple. Do the right things for the right reasons, keep following real life, and we'll show you even more tricks on how you can do this for yourself.